Good afternoon. Alright, sige, sige. Start now, no? So, for 10. Balikan ko yung lessons class kasi yung lessons kasi na ito, kasama talaga siya sa exam. Kasi this would be the continuations ng midterm at saka finals. So, ngayon, gusto ko lang i-clarify kung yung lessons po ba nito still remembered? Naalala po pa ba ito? Be honest class ha. Naalala po. I guess hindi ako nagkakamali. Ginawa natin siya face-to-face classes. Then, after this, nagkaroon po tayo ng agreement na si Sir Bilog wanted to have this online class na lang. Naalala po ba? To be honest class ha, kasi gusto ko malaman kasi mas be klaro po sa atin. Baka mamaya magugulat tayo sa exam. So, we need to discuss this ulit. And then, of course, some of questions that we can find, no, or makaproduce tayo dito sa out of this mga table na to. Alright? Sige nga. Familiar with ha? Sigurado tayo, class. Hala. But you know how to convert already. Wala? Okay. Mabuti na lang. Nakita ko na may nag-react. Alright. Sige, sige. Yan. Sige, sige. Alright. Baka medyo maliit. Alright. So, ganito class. Alright. So, this is a Melee machine. One of the properties of the Melee machine is, of course, the output must be associated with their input. Alright, ha? So, ibig sabihin, yung DFA natin, ang properties niya must be unique. Alright? Seymour machine, ang kanyang output must be associated with its state. However, si Melee is associated with its input. Alright. So, following the steps, so first and foremost is, for its state, calculate the number of different output that are available in the transition table of the Melee machine. So, this is just an example ng Melee machine. Why? The output is associated with their input. Alright. So, this is a table. Diba? So, ito yung table na yan. So, malalaman natin na it could be a split between each state if it is having different output. So, ibig sabihin, kung magkaiba po yung output niya, so, ibig sabihin, dalawa po siya, no? Magsisplit. So, tingnan natin dito, knowing the fact that Q sub 1 dito is just only 1. So, wala naman. So, ito 1 din. So, ibig sabihin, okay lang po yon. Q sub 4, 1. We also have Q sub 4, 1. Q sub 3, 0. At saka Q sub 3, 1. So, ibig sabihin, pagdating kay Q sub 3, magkakaroon po tayo ng Q 3, 0, Q sub 3, 0, and Q sub 3, 1. Okay? For their in output 0 and 1. Then for your Q2, so we also have this output of 1 and the other would be the output of 0, meaning to say that Q sub 2, it might be Q sub 2, 0 for the output 0 and Q sub 2, 1 for the output 1. Okay na tayo? This is just a recap class kasi may mga tanong po ako. Alright? So, be attentive. Relax lang po tayo. I-analyze natin mismo yung problem. Alright. So, okay na tayo. So, as you can see, nag-split po si 20 at saka si 30. So, kaya yung Q2 at saka Q3 nag-split siya, di ba? It created another form of states. It's because the output nila goes to 0 and 1. So, magkaiba. Alright, ha? So, ganun ang nangyari po nun. Alright? So, ngayon, ito po siya. So, ito yung kinalabasan. Alright? So, yan ang kinalabasan, ha? So, gagawa ko yung pinakamadali lang kasi medyo madami ito para mas madali natin maintindihan later. Alright? So, para ang ginagawa natin today is just by a review. Alright? Example number 2. So, ito naman siya. Alright? So, pag ginawa natin siyang table, it look like this. So, ngayon, titingnan natin siya, ang Q sub 1 natin. So, in terms of their output, right, yung output nila, Q sub 1 is 0. So, we only 1. So, no problem. Alright? Q sub 2, mayroon tayong output na 1 and Q sub 2 also having its output of 0. So, meaning to say, supposedly ito ay mag-split. Si Q sub 3, may output na 0 at 1 at dapat yun ay tendency yun ay mag-split. Right? So, dapat ganun po yung lumabas. So, tama naman. Alright? So, tama. Nag-split. Alright? So, ang table, ito po. Kasi after na-deliberate natin, we created another form of state for our more machine. So, ibig sabihin, class, si Mealy machine, of course, if it is converted into more machine, so nagbabago, of course, their state. So, ibig sabihin, dumadami po ang ating state. Alright? So, sige, subukan natin to kung naalala pa natin. And then, I will going to ask question. I will going to ask question. Paint. Ay, sorry. Snip. It is snip. Alright. So, ayan ha. Okay, makinig ha. So, I need your answer, class, no? Paano ko kasi malalaman kung hindi po kayo sasagot, no? So, I need absolutely your answer for this. So, mayroon po tayong state A, B, and C having its input A and B. So, meaning to say, so, A that tends to be having its input A, ang output niya ay 1. Alright? Then, of course, if A goes to A with an input of B, the output must be 0. Alright? So, take note ha. Then, of course, yung B tends to be, so having its input A, maging output ay 0. Ngayon, sige, gawin natin siya. So, i-drawing natin siya. So, ang gagawin natin, of course, so you have your A. You have your A. Alright. Alright. Input A, initial natin. Goes to B. Ayan. With an input of A, having its output 1. Right. So, okay na tayo. So, okay na tayo dyan. Next is A goes to itself, having its input B with an output of 0. Alright, so yun yung ating initial. Alright. Then, B tends to B with an input of A with an output of 1. So, ibig sabihin, pwede dito. Alright. So, meaning, you have your input A having its output of 1. So, no problem. B goes to C. B goes to C. So, B goes to C. Alright. Having its input B, having its output 0. So, 0. Alright. So, this is it. Then we have C goes to C, and C goes to C with an output of 1 having its input A. So, paano yan? Ito ay split. So, we could extend. So, mag-extend tayo. Alright. So, C to C, then having its input A, then having its output 1. Alright, so isa. Then we have C goes to A with an input B with an output of 0. So, ito, pwede dito. Alright, so, ganyan yung mangyayari. So, ito yung si sub 1, ito yung si sub 1 talaga. C, usually yan. C0, ito yung C1. Okay, so, thank you, ma'am. Alright. So, possible, yun ang mangyayari. Alright? So, AB, we have AB, we have A, we have AB. So, sorry. Alright. So, C sub 0 again. Alright. So, C, alright. Yung C goes to C itself having its output. So, okay yan. Alright. Then, yung C, ito yung tinutukoy ko pala. C goes to A with an output of 0 having its input B. So, mayroong open. Alright. So, there is an open. Parang open state. Kasi nga, kailangan talaga sa mag-o-open. Why? Because C having its output 1 and another C is having an output of 0. Ibig sabihin, mag-split talaga siya. Yung A, no problem. Yung B, no problem kasi parehas. So, ngayon yung C natin, kailangan titingnan natin based dito mismo. So, C goes to C with an input of A having its output 1. Natural, ito po yon. So, C to itself with an input of A. Then, C to A. So, ito yung C na to. Having its input B papunta dito with an output of 0. So, klaro na tayo dito. So, this is already be a form of ito, magiging more machine na to. Right? So, nasa more machine na ito. Ngayon, ang tanong doon, okay, so, do you think, class, no, ang question is, kung ang melee machine na ito, kung ito ay na-convert na into a more machine, so this is already be a more machine. So, sa tingin mo, ano kaya yung magiging output niya? Alright, ang tanong is, paano ang magiging output niya pag ang input is, so meaning output is question mark, wherein your input, sabihin na lang natin, it could be B, what else? A, B, B, and B. All right. So, in your understanding, so ayan na ha. So, yun po yung kung that is why the reason kung bakit natin siya ibabalikan. Kasi yung last meeting natin is more on conversion. We try to convert melee machine to more machine or more machine to melee machine, but we're not given this conversions that supposedly kung ano yung magiging output if we have this an input value, or else we'll be having our output and then we need to find its input, or vice versa. So let it be. So ano sa tingin nyo, class, no? Sige lang, gusto ko lang makita kayo mismo. Paano kaya ang magiging output niya? Anybody? Anybody? May idea po? Be honest ka sa, mas maganda yung ano, alam you know what, class? Ito yung maganda yan. Gusto ko lang yung para nag-uusap lang tayo. Alright? Para sa ganun, hindi po kayo medyo ma-alof o kaya hindi po yung mahihiya. Kasi ako na mismo yung lumalapit na parang kinakausap kayo kung ano sa tingin nyo, kung sakali lang, yun po yung magiging input natin. Ano kaya ang possible na magiging output po natin? Sa tingin nyo, class? Anybody? Sige na. Try lang. Sige po, si Saki. Yan, si Sak. Ano yung maging output mo, Sak?
Yung sa other.
Bakit hindi kita maririnig, Sak? Nakamute ba? Nakakamute ka ba? Wait lang, Sak. Bakit hindi kita naririnig?
Hello? Hello?
Ayan na, Sak. Naririnig na kita. Sige, Saki.
Sa tingin ko lang po yung sa paging output po parang nasa A, parang same position po.
Ano po, sir? A? A? Sige. Ano yung output mo? Yung output mo, supposedly dapat 0-1 po yon kasi usually ang output natin dito 0-1. Ito yung input natin. Ito yung mga output natin. So ano kaya yung equivalent ng output nito, Sak?
Oh, okay. Iba po ata yung naisip ko, mali pa.
Sige, okay lang. Okay, thank you. Anybody? So ganito, class. Okay, tingnan nyo Kung if this would be your initial state, importante ito, class, kasi kasama pa to sa exam. Sige. Ay, ito, baka mayroon pong ano. Sige po, may nag-raise po ba ng hand? Sige, isulat natin yung ano. Oh, yan. Sige, sir. Sulat ko kung ano yung sagot niyo po. Torres? Wala? Sige. Balik na ako ha. So, ganito. Alright. Oh, ayaw magsulat. Wait lang. Naghahang yan pag ganyan. Ayan, okay na. So, ibig sabihin yung class, di po ba? Ito yung initial state natin. So, yung input niya B, di po ba ang input niya B? So, first is input B. So, usually ito yung B natin. Di ba? Ito yung B. So, ano yung output natin dito? Anong output natin? Having its input B, dapat, di ko kasi makikita.
1 po, sir.
Sino ba to? Si Torres. Ang output niya, 0. Di ba 0 to? 0 kasi to. So, ibig sabihin, in your first state class, no, having its input B, the output must be 0. So, this would be 0. Alright. Then, it goes to, of course, again, goes to, having its input A. So, ito yung A. So, ang A papunta sa B. Alright. Ano yung output niya? So, that is
1 po.
1. 1. Another A. So, ibig sabihin, another A, ito po yung A na tinutukoy yan. So, ito yung A. So,
1 po ulit, sir.
okay, 1 ulit. May A pa. So, hindi naman pwede na bababa siya dito. But instead, kasi ito ay naka-loop, so returning, pwede po siya. Di po ba? Another ikot. So, this would be 1 ulit. So, then goes into B. So, ito yung B. Alright.
0 po, sir.
So, this would be 0. Then, goes to B ulit. So, hindi naman pwede sa kanan, but instead, siya ay
0 po
pupunta
ulit,
dito
sir.
sa 0. Alright. Then, the last would be B. Ito po yung B na tinutukoy na yan. So, 0. So, nag-end po tayo. So, ibig sabihin, ito po yung output niya. Nakuha?
Yes po, sir.
So ganyan na ha. So, ganyan. Sige. Another question is, what supposedly yung equivalent niya, ang equivalent ng binary output niya if the alphabet symbol, sabihin natin ay B, A, A, B. Halimbawa, B, A, A, B. B, A, A, B, yung ating input. So, ano yung magiging output niya? Yes po, Avenue. Anong sagot mo, sir? Zero, 1, 0. 0, 1, 1, 0. Yan. So, that is 0, 1, 1, 0. Sige na, ibabalik ko na ulit. Alright. So, tama yun, Saki. So, yun po yun, no? So, meaning to say, kasi nga, B, A, A, B. So, this would be your B. So, and having its A. Then, another A ulit. So, getting the output and goes to B. So, yun po yung isang way, no? So, possible. So, B, A, A, B. Alright. Class, do you think, class, the question is, if I give you, kagaya dito, 0, 1, 1, 1, sorry, hindi naman, no? Ito lang. Pag sinabi natin 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, do you think this is also equals to 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0? Tama. Right. So, check po yan. Kasi somehow, class, baka mamaya is hanapin nyo po mismo, no? Hahanapin nyo po mismo yung ito. Paano ko ang given pala, ang choices pala ganito? It makes that 8 bits. Kasi ito naka 7 bits lang. Ngayon, ang nilagay sa choices is 8 bits. Oh, you know what, class? It's okay, class. Don't worry, Don't worry about your exam. Kasi upon checking the exam naman na galing sa iba, okay lang din and we discuss it. And then may latter part lang po dun, class. Alright, na sa tingin ko naman ay if ako na bahala doon. Alright? So mayroon akong doon nakita. So I cannot change it I cannot change it now. But then you have to answer. Then ako na po doon mag-consider. Or simply pagdating mismo sa exam, sabihin ko na kung ano yung i-shade nyo doon. Ha? So, wag na po kayo na lang. So, keep it silence na lang. Para sa ganon, wala na magtatanong, but all you have to do is just to continue yung inyong exam. Okay? Para wala na tayong magkakagulo. So, ganon. Alright. Ano pa ba? Sige. I-try natin, ha? So, magta-try po tayo. Before we end. So, ito lang yung binigay ko sa inyo kasi kayo naman ay fast learner naman kayo yung mga CS. So, madali lang naman yun, no? So, para sa gano'n, next meeting would be more on ibang topic po tayo. Alright. Ito. Alright. Ibigyan natin ng magandang Q sub 0, Q sub 1. Sige. What if mayroon tayong ganito, class? Alright. Mayroon kang initial. Bakit naka-copilot? Saan ba yung pencil? Nawala. Alright. So, halimbawa is Q sub 0, Q sub Q sub 1. Yan ito. So, meron kang 0. Wow. Okay. Q1 output 0. Q2 output 0. Input 0, input 1. Then you have Q sub 1, Q sub 1 is output 0. Q sub 2, output 1. Then Q sub 2, we have Q sub 1, input 1. And then Q sub 2, output 0. Alright. Alright. So, sa tingin nyo, class, the question is, ano ang ilang state kaya mabubuo natin sa Moore machine kaya? Kasi this is a melee machine and we wanted to convert that into a Moore machine by using table. Sa tingin mo, mga ilang state kaya ang mabubuo natin? At saka, anong state diyan ang maghihiwalay? Alright, let's start tayo pag Q sub 0. So, yung input natin is 0 and also 1. Alright. So, sa Q sub 0, sa tingin mo, magsisplit siya hindi? So, ang titingnan nyo, class, yun dito. Di ba, Q sub 0? Q sub 1, Q sub 1, Q sub 1, Q sub 2, Q sub 2, Q sub 2. So, ibig sabihin, wala. Di po ba? So, meaning to say, retain po yon. Okay, mariretain po ang Q sub 1, 0, at saka yung Q sub 2, 0. So, sa Q sub 1, titingin kayo sa Q sub 1, magsisplit ito. Mayroon siyang 0, mayroon siyang 1. So, mayroon kang Q1, 0. Alright. Andito naman is sa 20, sa 2, mayroon kang 2 dito na 1 ang output. Mayroon kang 2 dito na may 0 ang output. So, ibig sabihin, yung Q sub 2 mo dito, yan, Q sub 2, yan, yung output ay magiging 1. Then, also, you have your Q1 also dito. So, ngayon, ganito ang mangyayari yan, class. Alright? So, usually, di ba, pag nag-split, dinadagdagan natin siya ng 0 for the output. So, ito yung 0 for the output. Ito yung 1. Tama? So, ngayon, ito po yung Q sub 1. Ang output ay 0. So, ibig sabihin, 10 po yun. No? Output ay 0. Yung Q2, since na mayroon tayong Q2 0 at saka Q2 1 kasi nag-split. So, ibig sabihin, ito ngayon, ito ay magiging 21 kasi naka-output na 1. Ay. So, ngayon, dito na tayo kay 11. So, baba na tayo. Alright. Alright. So, si Q11. Alright. So, ibig sabihin, again, alright, so, it will be Q10 output 0. And this would be Q21. Yan. So, dalawa. So, ngayon mayroon kang Q2, Q sub 2, at saka Q sub 2 dito. So, ito yung isang 0, ito yung 1. Right. So, ngayon, let's proceed to Q2. Si Q2, ang output niya ay Q2 with an input of 0, papunta sa Q1 with an output of 1. So, mean to say, ang kukunin natin would be 11. Diba? Kasi nga, output 1. So, this would be Q11, 1. Then, ito, Q2. However, naka-output 0. So, ibig sabihin, pupunta ka kay Q2, output 0, tapos, yan, 20 siya kasi output 0. So, possible, ito, ganito rin. So, Q11, 1, Q20, yan, 0. Alright. So, yan. What? Yun. So, yun ang mangyari. So ngayon, pag tinanong tayo, how many states we could makukuha natin, no? from the Melee machine, of course, we just having 4, 5 states na siya. Alright? So, kung papansinin natin, class, no? Kasi gusto natin magbabalance, di po ba? So, kung papansinin natin, yung ito, class, yung ito, yan. Yan, ito. At saka ito, parehas lang yan. Di po ba? At saka yung ito, at saka ito, parehas lang din. So, meaning to say, kung i-delete natin to, alright, kung i-delete natin siya, ano, kung ano ba, i-delete natin. Alright. So, pag dinelete natin, ang matitira, of course, ito na lang. 1, 2, 3. Which is also the same dito. Tama? The same lang yan. So, ibig sabihin, mayroon po talagang ang conversions, if you try to convert Melee to more, of course, pag binalik natin, it could be the same as well. Yung pinapakita ko lang sa inyo, class, is a simple way kung paano po nangyari. Alright? But then, of course, no, ang gagawin pa rin natin dyan, we have to take the diagram. Alright? So, magkakaroon pa ulit tayo ng diagram diyan. So, pag ginawa natin ng diagram yan, alright, so, extend natin dito. Yan. So, tipat natin to. Ayan. Alright. So, pag ginawa natin ng diagram, class, usually, ang mangyayari niyan is ito. Okay, Q sub 0. Okay. Then, having its input of 0 goes to Q1. So, ibig sabihin, gagawa tayo ng Q sub 1 dito. Alright. So, then, of course, alright. Then, having its output 0. So, meaning, slash 0. So, this is 1. Alright? Then, Q sub 0 goes to Q2. So, halimbawa, this is your Q2. Okay, this is your Q2. Alright. So, Q2, having its input of B. So, ito yung ating B. Tama ba ako? Q sub 0. Baliktad. Alright. So, then, Q0 to Q2. So, usually, dito po yun. Yan. So, this is your Q2. So, yung output niya is 0. Okay, okay na yun. So, yan. So, ngayon, let's do have Q1. Si Q1, having its input 0, ito yung A. Okay, this is your A and this would be your B. Alright. So, ngayon, si Q1 goes to usually sa 11. So, ibig sabihin, makikreate pa tayo ng another one. Alright? Halimbawa, si Q1. Si Q1 to Q1. Ito, saan ba yun ba ako? Ay, ito. Q1 sa Q1. Alright, so this is Q1 to Q1. Usually, this is, okay, kasi nga ang output niya is 0. Okay lang yan. So this is your A. O, A tuloy. 0. 0. This is 1. Alright. Then of course, we have Q. Again, ito goes to Q2. So, gagawa tayo ng Q2 dito. Alright. Okay. So, since, kaya say, sir, bakit hindi dito? The reasons why, because having its output na 1, ito kasi naka-0. So, ibig sabihin, we need to separate that. So, ayan. So, ito ay, ayan. From Q1 goes to Q2. Okay, sorry. Q, bakit dito ako tumitingin? So, this is Q1 to Q21 having its output 1. Having its input 1, having its output 1. So, dalawa na. Di ba, mayroon ng dalawa. Yung pangatlo, of course, dito na tayo since it has, ito, papansinin nyo, ito ay 10, ito ay 11. So, ibig sabihin, magkakaroon talaga yan. So, usually, class, if we already found out, if this would be an output ay 1, automatically, ito po ay 21. If this is an output of 0, meaning to say, this would be your 20. That would be very simple. Alright? So, ngayon, yung Q11 natin, of course, gagawa tayo yan. Alright? So gagawa tayo. Halimbawa, this would be your Q11. Tama ba ako? Q11. Q11 papunta sa Q10. So, ito usually 10 po to class. Why? Kasi nga ang output ay 0. Ito ay 10. So, Q11 to Q10. So, ito yan. Q11. So, ito yung 11. Alright. So, usually yan, ang output niyan ay 1. So, ito, this is your 0. And then, from here, going to Q21, natural, pag ganun siya. So, this is your 1. So, tatapos na natin go to Q20. So, Q20 papunta Q11. Output niya is 1. So, this would be your 0. Then, Q20 to Q20 itself. So, ibig sabihin, magluloop lang. So, this is 1. Then, the last is Q21. So, this is your Q21. Papunta sa Q11. So, ito po yun, having its output 1. So, pag ganun lang siya. Right? So, that is your 0. Then again, Q21 goes to Q20. So, ito po yun. From here, papunta siya dito. Having its output 1. So, ganito yung maging itsura niyang class sa ganitong table na to. So, mayroon kang diagram. Nagkakaroon po tayo ng 5 states po. So, hope malinaw ha. So, nagkaintindihan tayo, class, ha? So, but again, ang question kasi dito, class, is, okay, pag-usapan na natin. So, usually sa exam ganito ang magiging covered niyang class. Ang ibibigay po sa atin is a form of, usually naka-table na siya. Alright? So, yung table na yan, class, ay naka-form ng MELI. Alright. So, makukuha mo lang yung output o input pag ginawan mo siya ng diagram. So, that is why kung bakit ko tinuturo yung from table to diagram or diagram to table na sa ganun po, hindi na po tayo malilito. So, yun po yung rason kung bakit. Kasi para masasagutan po natin yung mga questions. So, what supposedly the input of the given output na ganito? How many states we created from the Mealy machines having only 3 states? Then, of course, ano kaya ang possible na mayroon akong input na nito pero I need to find out the outcome. Hope that would be clear to everyone. Malinaw po. Nakaintindihan tayo, class? So, ready na po tayo by next week. So, next week would be more on ibang topic po. Alright, so thank you. So, if you don't have any questions, class, so maybe I can take your attendance na. CS. CS. Uwi na kayo, ma'am. Grabe, uwi na sila, oh. Buti ba sila, uwi na. Okay. CS3. Wait lang kasi. This is 423. 423. 412. 423. Wait lang, last. 423, 2025. Agbulos.
Present, sir.
Akinta.
Present, sir.
Can I have also Arnaiz.
Present po.
Avenue.
Present, sir.
Avila.
Present po.
Baredo.
Present po, sir.
Botona.
Present po, sir.
Bragas. Bunyol.
Present po, sir.
Caballero. Caballero. Bragas, okay na po. Iris, okay na po. Caballero, wala. Canlas. Wala. De Castro.
Present po.
Dulyavin. Estrada. Fuentes.
Present po.
Gahuman.
Present po.
Gorana. Hinilaso.
Present po, sir.
Herodias. Giliena.
Present po.
Hernandez Jacob. Hernandez Jacob. Huwit.
Sir, present po.
Lorico.
Present po, Sir Lorico.
Yes po. Mabalatan.
Present po, sir.
Malate. Malto.
Present po, sir.
Mangoba. Manrique.
Present po, sir.
Mapanaw.
Present po, sir.
Marmeto.
Present po, sir. Marmer.
Mendoza.
Present po.
Mil Flores.
Present po, sir.
Napili.
Present po.
Navarro. Nerbiol.
Present po.
Ubina.
Present po.
Ocale.
Present po, sir.
Oliveros.
Present po, sir.
Parcon,
Parcon, present po, sir.
Pontepedra,
Present po, sir.
Kilaw,
Present po, sir.
Isana.
Present po.
Wait lang, naghahang na siya. So, konti na lang. Rait, Ramil, Ribadulia,
Present po.
Riquillas,
Present po, sir.
Sakdalan,
Present.
Salgado, Gaurana pala to. Wait na lang po yung late ha. Wait lang po. Pusing ko lang to. Salgado, absent. Santiago,
Present, sir.
we have Sarsilia,
Present po.
Sarmiento,
Present po.
Silvestre, Santa Ana,
Present po.
Torres,
Present po, sir.
and Villardo.
Present po.
Sino po yung hindi natawag? Gaurana. Wait lang po. Gaurana.
Sir Gaurana, present po. Thank you po.
Apo, thank you. Sino pa? Sino
Sir,
pa,
malapit
class?
po, sir.
Sino yan? Arthur Bernard. Apelido niyo, sir?
Malate po.
Malate. Okay na po, sir. Wala na? So, okay. Thank you na po. Okay na po lahat. So, the last part, sige, picture taking po tayo, no? Sige, mag-count lang ako ng 3. Then, open nyo lang yung inyong cam, tapos magka-captured na po ako. 1, 2, alright. Wait lang. One, two. Alright, so okay. Thank you for joining everyone and see you this coming Saturday. But anyway, class, no, this coming Saturday, nawalan po ako ng net. Mango ba? Alright. Class, no, by this coming Saturday, para kasi akong isa sa napili na magiging part ng tawag nito ng entrance exam. Di ba mag-entrance exam kasi yung mga first year. So, para ako dun mag-screen sa mga bata, no? Magti-take na kanilang, tawag nito, magtanggap sa kanila, no? Sa examination. So, if ever po yun, I will be informing you ng maaga na kung wala po tayong klase. Okay po? Malinaw po, class. So, sinabi ko na kasi in-inform ako ni Sir Alni at saka ng mga na kasama daw ako doon sa exam. Alright, thank you for joining and see you again next week if possible. So, good luck everyone and God bless to all. Thank you.